हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू आर हैविंग अ ग्रेट वीकेंड। So today I am back with another video on my 20 liters Kent OTG, and I would answer all the questions that I have been asked, and I would also review this. Well, this is the second part on Kent OTG. You can find the first part link in the description box. The very first question that I would like to answer is, what is the difference between microwave and OTG? Microwave and OTG differ from each other based on their working principles. As a result, they allow set of differing features. Microwave heating is a multi-physics phenomenon that involves electromagnetic waves and heat transfer. When you place the food in the microwave oven and press the start button, an electromagnetic field is developed. This field interacts with the food, leading to its rise in temperature. So this is how the heating process in microwave is done. And the efficiency of microwave heating also depends upon the material properties. That means the utensil that you are using to cook inside the microwave. But in case of an OTG, the entire heating process is based upon two pairs of rods. If you have ever used a heater, you can relate. Now I have an additional question, that is, what is the feature that makes microwave superior in facility or quality over an oven? Well, it is the convection mode. Convection is basically transfer of heat energy from hot particles to cooler particles. So you can say that it allows equal distribution of temperature. Using the convection feature of a microwave, you can cook food, which is not allowed in an OTG. Well, you might understand like this, that here cooking is different from baking, grilling or making toasts. In case if you are looking for an oven where you can cook food, the best answer is go for a microwave. Using an OTG, you can prepare baked samosas, cakes, that is you can use it for the purpose of an oven, cookies, tikkas, tandooris. If you are a non-vegetarian, you can make whole grilled chicken using the rotisserie feature, breads, barbecue chips and vegetable kebabs. Coming to the demonstration part, I will show once again that there are three knobs. First is a thermostat where you can adjust the temperature. Second is the function where you can set it as per your requirement, where you want it for oven, toaster or grill mode. And the last one is the timer one. The temperature ranges from low 90, 120, 150, 180, 210 and 230 degrees Celsius. Yes, someone asked me whether we can adjust the temperature to 50 degrees or not. The answer is yes, you can. But it will be your estimate to place the knob in exact position ranging between low to 90. In the timer knob, value ranges between 10 to 60 minutes. Timer function is automatic. Once you have set the value to 30 or say 40 minutes, you cannot take it back to 0 on your own. It will go back to its original position on its own. As I said you, the working is entirely dependent upon 4 rods, that is 2 pair of rods, 1 pair on the top and 1 pair at the bottom. You can control the power or electricity to these rods using the function knob. The function knob clearly portrays the mode you would like to turn on, whether it's turning on the upper rods, turning the lower rods or both rods at the same time, or if you want to turn on the top rods with the rotisserie or both rods with the rotisserie. Rotisserie is one of the best features added to OTGs. In my channel, I have uploaded a video of making a whole tandoori chicken. Using the rotisserie feature, I noticed that the entire chicken got grilled very nicely. Here on the body of the OTG, you can see one small LED light that turns on as you turn on the timer. For the purpose of demonstrating the heating in an OTG, today I have turned on the rods to show how it works. So I have set the timer to 30 minutes. The LED light is turned on, and the mode here, using the function knob, I have turned both rods on mode. Presently the temperature is set to 230 degrees Celsius. The timer knob has a unidirectional movement. You can only rotate it in one direction. Now this is the function knob. It is a bit hard to move this knob and using the selection you can change the modes to different. Presently you can see I have just turned on the lower rods on. This is a free moving rod again, the temperature knob or the thermostat. Now I'm setting it to 210 degrees Celsius. Well, now coming on to the question part. First question here I have is, which mode did you select while making tandoori chicken? Well, I selected the rotisserie mode on with both rods turned on. The reason being, I wanted the chicken to get grilled from all sides and the temperature was as high as 230 degrees Celsius for around 45 to 50 minutes. Next is, does the rotisserie work well? Yes, it works great. Somebody wanted to know whether it's motorized or manual. No, it's absolutely motorized. You don't have to do anything to turn the rotisserie round and round. You just have to press the function knob and you have to set the timer and temperature. Accordingly, the rotisserie works. How is the overall quality? Is the heating good? Well, the overall quality is great, and heating process also I would say, as here I am showing in my video, you can see the red rods both turn on upside and downwards. As a result, the heating works very well for me as of now. Using the function knob, based on your requirement, you can turn on or off the rods. You can ask me how to bake a cake in an OTG. I would say, just like in traditional baking process, we use an aluminium pan and in the base we put some sand or salt, and on top of that, using an aluminium pan, we place the batter and cover it up very nicely so that the heat does not escape. Similarly, here in the rack, we can place our cake batter, turn on the lower rods and bake the cake. Now one question I have been asked again and again is, how is it working in compared to its competitors? Well, considering an OTG, I haven't tried any other brand other than Kent. But one thing that I can say is, Kent and Morphy Richards are the two brands that allow rotisserie feature at this range. And this is why I considered it to be a very lucrative deal. Well, I hope I could answer all queries on 20 liters Kent OTG. If you like watching my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.